All right, we're at this office building that honestly is designed like somebody's house. And we've got some elevators in here. I guess leaving the Christmas tree up is a trend in this town. And a popcorn maker with no popcorn. Interesting decoration choice. This looks very 80s. Elevators to our right. Elevators to our left. Oh, now it says elevator. We lost one. To our right again. Oh, no, there are two. Oh, there's just one on each side. Interesting layout. Also, what is going on with the button here? It's like, oh, they just like put some kind of tape on it? What is that? Are they painted it? I don't even know. Oh, these are LRVs. And the packet peanut on the floor. Nice little bit of pre-door there. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. This isn't very ADA compliant now, is this? You have to take the stairs to get to the elevator? Tisk, tisk, tisk. Now let's see one thing quickly. Oh. Oh, that's not the elevator motors. Never mind then. Come on, close up. There we go. I didn't even hit the button, it just reopened. What is going on? All right, up to P, the penthouse. How fancy. Now what's going on here? Come on. There we go. High ceilings in the penthouse and fancy. I mean, the doors aren't fancy, but the doorway and the glass in the doors are. Oh my goodness, it's dark up here. Spooky. What is the doors? What are the doors doing here? What's going on with this thing? Also, I like the decorative plant where two of the three stems were cut off. Very, very nice. Doors are being a little wacky. One Tiffany Pointe. Anyway. That will be it.